What is up, guys? It's HYBE here, and we're about to start this YouTube channel. This is a website we're using, HYBE, which is an online mystery unboxing website. You can see here we have a bunch of boxes we're about to check out with drop rates, and this is basically like a road to glory. So you see here I have 93 cents. I'm going to give you guys tips and tricks to use on the website. So a couple of things. When you first enter the website, go here, you press promo codes. You want to use the promo code UNBOXME. I already used it, so I got a free box. And you also want to use the promo code ITH4PP3 and 5, and that gives you 2 free boxes. And I'm going to be giving you promo codes that you can use in the future. That's a couple of things. That's just like one feature that you really got to look out for. So ITH4PP3 and 5 and UNBOXME are the 2 codes you can use. One more feature I want to show you guys. Loyalty program. So here you can see my daily streak, see the items that I'm about to get. So like each day you have a different task you got to do, and you have to log on every day to get these items. And then this is the TopDrop Rewards. So as you spend more money over time, you're going to be able to get prizes like these 2 Rolexes and vacations to the Bahamas. It's really sick items and stuff. So that's basically it. We're going to try to go from 93 cents to $100, $200, $300, and then get some boxes and see what our odds are and kind of try it out over time. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.